Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this live stream with Mr. M.
How's it going, man?
You know what? I always do this.
I always
and
do
you
this.
do this, man.
One day on one
Yeah,
day.
but what the heck, man? I'm always like this, okay? Dude, man.
Okay, nice. I remember that. No more fist. No more fist.
Yeah, exactly.
Guys, we have a show today. We almost died in the process of making it.
Yeah, exactly.
So you need to stay tuned, sit down, and be ready.
Yeah, be ready for this show.
It's gonna be incredible.
It's going to be absolutely hilarious. Make sure that if you buy anything in this show because of our recommendations, you do your own research and you take out your own insurance called Your Fault
Your fault
Insurance.
insurance,
Right?
Indeed.
Because there's a lot of meme coins we'll be discussing.
It's gonna be. It's gonna be a good amount of memes. Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh boy. I don't know how we're gonna do it today.
I know, exactly. I don't know either. But if you guys love this show, make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe, right? Because we have lots of fun. Share this with your friends and stuff like that. You know, if you put this, you link this somewhere in your, I don't know, Reddit posts or something like that, I really appreciate it. Maybe tweet it out, right? That helps, the channel grow and stuff like that. And you can be, more people will join in and you guys will have more fun too, right? Because, yeah, it's a community, right? Fun.
Indeed. Shall we do a test on sound?
Hit the-
People should be able to hear them, but should we do a test
On what?
on the new sound panel?
Well, later.
Just want to make sure they can hear it.
Yeah,
Later?
they can hear.
Okay, later.
Okay, so with that said, right? Make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe, and head over and hit the subscribe on Mr. M's channel. Which, look at that, he's got another bar.
Oops, sorry. There you go.
He's got like an amazing interview here that you have to watch. I actually watched the whole thing. It was amazing, and it's really growing. So yeah, good one, right?
Thank you. Yeah, it's one of my top 3. Thank you, Celestial. I've seen a comment saying one of my favorite. Yeah, I really truly enjoy. Selimi is a really cool guy. By the way, last night I've met Saifedean Ammous, which is the author of the Bitcoin Standard, and Selim was there as well. It's a really good night, and it's a fantastic video. We're supposed to be doing it into a Maybach, but we're going to do a part 2 on the Maybach, so stay tuned on that one. And this week, oh boy, I show you the guests we have. You want to make sure you stay tuned, guys, because this week is going to be probably one of the most important in my podcast history.
Yeah,
a few bangers.
You've got like 13 lined up, right?
I know, it's crazy. I don't know how I'm going to do it.
Jesus, man.
Yeah, it's going to be...
Wow.
It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. So stay tuned for that one. And then we also have a bunch we want to record you and me. So it's gonna be good.
All right. So for those of you who want to know if Bitcoin is not real, right? And their money that hey, you print a little bit of it right here, and that costs about 3 cents per $100. Hey, yeah, that's real because it's 3 cents per $100.
I didn't know it was 3 cents per
3
dollar.
cents.
Wow.
3 cents. Yeah, you could look it up. That's 3 cents per $100.
Yeah, there was a time where whatever the amount was reflecting the value of the currency, right? When we had gold coin, for example. So,
Hey, hold on to those 3 cents, man.
exactly. Exactly.
Wouldn't that be considered a meme coin?
Hold that thought. Hold that thought.
Oh, damn.
It's gonna be a good one for sure. Are we seeing a Bitcoin golden cross coming or incoming? I would say.
Wasn't there a death cross a few minutes ago?
Yeah, probably depends on the time frame. Is this on a daily? On a weekly? This is a weekly, so probably a weekly is triumphing dailies or whatever that might be.
Yes.
But we've seen a decent pump coming in.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, Bitcoin is doing well. You can see the price up there. If you guys looking up at the top here, you can see the price. It looks like it wants to take off very shortly.
It could go higher.
Yeah.
So we close the CME gap, of course, as we discussed, but it's good to see a weekly perspective. I mean, I think we got into the 4 hours last time or the daily, but it's good to see if you zoom out and check the weekly chart, which is my absolute favorite. Weekly and monthly, arguably are two of my best favorite. You can see that the gap is closed, which means we are good to fly back on the moon, right?
Yeah, off we go. Up, up, and away.
Off we go, indeed. And you can see it's a typical bull market correction. This is a good post by Nick. You can see all the previous colors, the other bull markets. You can see we've seen a 22, we've seen an 18, an 11, another 18 or 19. The one in green I can't read, I think it's 19. And then you can see now we just hit 7 overall. So I think we're
7%. Damn.
Yeah.
That was brutal. It's like, oh my gosh. What are you going to do? World ending.
Whoa! Yeah, that's.
I think it was more than 7%, though.
I think I think so. It depends on how you measure it, though.
Exactly.
Depending on what metrics you use. I think the highest we've seen 38, I guess, from peak to bottom. Yeah, banana zone, indeed. Banana zone is here. We are about to see the banana zone, as Raoul Powell calls it. You can see Michael Saylor tweeted, of course, yesterday saying insufficient orange. So most likely today is going to buy, and most likely that's the reason why the Bitcoin price pumped, right?
Yeah, happy Easter, guys. Look at that. There's your Easter egg right there. It's Bitcoin. Make sure you get some.
The orange egg. That's for sure. Metaplanet, again, snaps up 330 Bitcoin for a whopping 28 million. You know which was the best performing stock in Japan?
What's that?
Metaplanet.
No way. Wonder why.
Exactly. Maybe they know something we don't. Just say.
Oh, man. Jesus. Do you know what the sick thing is, right? As this catches on, right? Versus MicroStrategy, then Metaplanet, then how many more corporations realize?
Watch it and see. Maybe just 2%.
Yeah, that would be $1 million Bitcoin.
Right there. Indeed. As soon as they realize, and I think they already are.
Yeah.
They're just watching, right?
Yeah, exactly. They're just coming up with because here's the thing: even when corporations realize that this is the thing, especially if they're public traded, they can't just press a button and start buying like you can. They have to go through compliance. How they're going to store it? What is the business plan with it? What's the long-term outcome? Do some analysis, and it's like 6 months to 12 months at least, right? Before they can actually do anything.
But that's what we are saying. There is an opportunity actually for you guys to front run institutions, right? Because
exactly.
It takes more time for them, like you said, to discuss it and figure it out and go through all the process. Whether in our case,
we just hit the buy button.
Indeed.
That's it. You get to hit the buy button in front of these guys. The beauty of that.
It doesn't happen very often, right?
No, exactly. And I think even the guy that you interviewed, what's the Red Bull ex-CEO, he even mentioned that. You have this opportunity right in front of you.
Yep.
Yet most of you sit there and go, I don't know.
There's going to be another Bitcoin.
It's too expensive.
Yeah.
Bro.
I'm not sure, man. It's the quantum computers. This is like... Guys, let me know if you heard that. Because we have a new sound fun panel thing, which is gonna be epic. So let me know if you heard that. Yeah, let me know if you have it. It's gonna be fun. I'm not gonna keep it together. Robert Kiyosaki is expecting Bitcoin to go to 1 million by 2035. I mean, it's kind of conservative, I guess, supposed to Michael Saylor. I think he called 16. By 2035.
Yeah. I mean, it's still, it's conservative, but I think Bitcoin will be well over $1 million in 2035?
I mean, it's 10 years from now, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So it's 2.5 cycle. So it's totally possible.
I mean, if you're measuring at 50% a year rise, compounding, it's just way more than that.
It's not that crazy, I agree. I guess we'll see. Let's see what happens. So here, gold, new all-time high.
And it's almost at 3,400. I think we might have to add
gold.
Add gold up there, and only because recently on the news, right? Listen.
Man. She makes an observation. She says, gold's really going up. It's kind of acting like a meme coin these days. A meme coin? She thinks gold is a meme coin?
There we go. We should put it up there.
my.
It's a meme coin now.
We almost died when we heard it.
It's the same as central banks are buying 1,000 tons of fart coin, basically. Every month, they buy 1,000 tons of fart coin.
I don't know. Honestly, this is the glitch in the matrix I've been always looking for.
But look at Peter's face. Like it's like he's got.
I'm not sure they can hear the sound though.
Really?
I'm not sure they can. I'm not sure they can actually.
No, is it not up?
We'll have to because
No.
guys, let us know if you can hear it because I think it's not coming off the mixer. Maybe we should put them into the mixer instead of the stream.
Shame. It should come off because when we're recording it, when I'm doing the live show,
Yeah.
right? When I'm doing Zoom, you come through.
Oh, true. Oh, we
Yeah.
can. Yeah. So can you hear the gun? Yeah. Do you have the gun?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what they say. Yeah, we can. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. We might go a little bit overboard with this, but
Oh man. Right, but hey, you know what? Since gold's the new.
I mean, that shows you
new
how
fart
little she knows
right?
about meme coins
It
and
could be
gold.
going to zero.
but the shift
So
started.
she really
Yeah.
believes,
Oops.
and this
Yeah,
is
it's
the
okay.
on-air.
There you go. Thank you.
Since this new fart coin, right? Could be going to zero. Like,
I can't even describe the amount of. I almost died. This together.
oh, damn.
It's gonna be fun. I think it's gonna go out of control quick.
Damn.
It is what it is. Oh boy.
Oh wow.
So this is gonna update on Monday, I think. Monday, so today, later on during the day. But as you can see, if you remember, like you pointed out earlier, this 14 was 14.5.
Yeah, this is 14.5 on last month, right? Last month, not Monday, not last time. 14.5. So if you don't have any Bitcoin before those companies do, then you are. Right? It's plain and simple. And I'm like, if you say it's too expensive, it's too slow, I'm gonna be like,
Yeah. I would say that too.
yeah.
Oh boy, this is. I apologize for the over sound today, but it is what it is. Fear and greed. Are you expecting this to go a little bit higher?
Yeah, obviously. I mean, once we get over the 95K to 93K, I think we'll see this in the green very quickly. So, yeah, we already see green shoots, right? With the ETFs, got some inflows, right, coming in, right? Look at that.
Yeah, no, exactly. Yeah, some people are saying they can't hear. It's okay. So I don't think. Yeah, exactly. I don't think they can hear them. But I'll have a look later. I think we have to find a way to pass the sound through.
What do you mean they can't? Some people say they can hear it, and some people say they can't.
Yeah, I don't think they.
You don't
can.
hear the bruh?
I'm not sure they can, because technically,
They
this
should be able to.
I don't know what this is coming
Because
from.
did you check the audio here? Because it's going out to the mixer.
Yeah, it's going out to the main stereo.
So then the mixer will put it out.
When you do something there,
Yeah, do you see it?
yeah, it's also loud. It should come through. Yeah. We'll have a look. Maybe we need to activate one of these guys. That's the thing. I'm not sure.
Really? You think so?
Yeah, people
Sound
saying heard
effects?
it. Some people are hearing it, other people are not hearing it. So
Yeah. They
I'm
probably
not sure.
just some people are just like.
Yeah, okay. On Next is perfect. Okay, maybe there is a, I don't know, but yeah, it should come through. By the way, but yeah, let us know because we're gonna overdo
YouTube
this.
works normal. Yeah. So yeah,
Okay, perfect. Yeah, some people are saying they don't have it, but
that's kind of weird how that.
yeah, cannot hear. Okay, interesting. Okay. Some people can, other can't. Maybe it's a YouTube thing. I don't know. No soundboard as yet. Okay. See, some people don't have it. I wonder why. Maybe it's a YouTube versus
That's kind of strange.
X. I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Weird. Because, like,
Yeah.
I mean, it should be heard, right? But,
Well, the sound on the mixer is good, so it should go out. It should go
yeah,
out.
if the mixer's picking it up, right? Then I know, it's just crickets. Crickets.
Just cricket. Yeah. Yeah, we're talking about the sound effect, not the voices. But yeah, it's I will have a look and see why. If it's not working, we'll figure it out.
That's yeah. Oh well. It is what it is.
It is what it is, yeah. Well, thank you for the feedback, by the way. It's appreciated.
So people on X can hear the crickets and stuff like that. And
It sounds like people can hear it on certain platforms. Not the mic, by the way. The sound effect, like this, like the pistol.
or do you hear that one? Right. If you heard what it said, write it in the text. No.
No.
Wow.
Okay. Interesting.
Hmm.
Okay. Now we'll see why. We'll see what's up later. I think we might have to put the sound into the mixer as opposed to into the stream.
It doesn't make any sense, though. That doesn't make any sense.
It doesn't, because it's passing through the mixer, so it should come out. Yeah.
Yeah.
Unless it's considered by mix minus. I don't know, because if they can hear the YouTube sound, aka, oh, but no, wait, it's on that computer.
Yeah,
That's
yes,
a
from
different
that computer. Yes, but still. Like, okay, so if we were to go to a web page here, so you're saying if we go to a web page here, you guys can't see, you can't hear it. Go to YouTube on here.
It's possible they won't. Let's see. Let me see.
Search for Royal Express elevator to hell.
Royal Express elevator to hell.
There we go. So, we're playing this. Can you guys hear that?
Is there a sound coming in from the YouTube video?
Yeah,
we are
exactly. We played a YouTube video, Royal Express elevator to hell.
Because if there is no sound, then that means from this computer is not going through the mixer, which is what I suspect is happening.
Which doesn't make any sense.
It doesn't, yep. Nope, okay, so there is no sound.
Okay.
Yeah, the Peter Schiff is on a different computer. That's why you can hear it. So we have multiple computers. Yeah, no, okay. So yeah, that's the problem then. The sound is coming through the other computer, but not through the main computer. So we have a couple of options, but one is to, well, thank you.
Well,
Okay,
nice.
okay. So they won't be able to hear the
Okay,
effect.
so let's just, what if we were to change the audio thing here? Just one more thing. Let's just try this and see if that worked.
That's the chat.
No, it's not playing out. Yeah.
No, it's not playing out.
Okay.
Actually, that might.
Really?
Yeah, try now.
Stupid.
Can you hear the gun?
No.
Have you got the gunshot? Let's see what they say.
Okay.
Well, it's probably gonna take a bit.
All right, guys. But anyways, let's move on.
Yeah, let's see.
We're gonna go to the section where it's all kinds of craziness, right? We're gonna be buying some gold.
Oh yes, they got the gun. Yeah, perfect. Thank you guys. So yeah, that's how we fix it. We bypass the mixer like
Oh, really? Through
Yeah.
the chat, right?
to the chat. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, cool. So then you can you have these things, right?
Emotional damage.
Oh man, we missed that. That was so perfect.
I know we played it, but it wasn't coming out. So I
Exactly.
apologize. We are having a laugh here because
I know we were laughing and it's like whatever. Anyways, let's go to the memes. Let's see. What did we buy this? Really? We bought this?
I don't remember.
I think so.
It could go higher.
If you think so. Bruh.
I'm sorry.
Bruh.
This is gonna go out of control really quick. But it is
Wow.
what it is,
Well, at least it didn't dump.
which is good.
If we did buy it, I don't remember buying this. Do you remember buying this on the weekend on Friday?
Oh boy, that's our portfolio.
Yeah, it's got crushed.
Emotional damage.
Exactly. Serious,
The Solana wallet.
serious emotional damage on our Solana wallet.
Wow. Okay, but it is what it is. Okay, let me go through the comment. I need to say some. I'm saving some of the chat for later. Thank you, by the way, for all the
I don't
comments.
see it. I don't know.
I don't think we did, but weren't we looking for a key retracement? Whatever. point
Double
scheme?
peep. Going in deep.
Let's go back in. Oh boy. Okay.
All right. So what about this one? Did we get this one?
What's that one?
I don't know. It was what's it? Naked Crab Man.
Oh yeah, we did. We bought
man.
naked crab.
Man.
We buy the naked crab.
Naked Crab Man.
I think we bought it.
Bruh.
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 It didn't rag right yet.
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 Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this.
This I was not expecting.
Told you so.
Yeah. Not expecting this.
One house is gonna equal one house.
I was not expecting that.
We're up $22 today on one house.
Wow.
I'm telling you, bloodline security. I smell it.
Not
Smell it.
expecting that.
I smell it.
It could go
And it's
higher.
not this. Damn.
Hopefully it's not doing a head and shoulder there.
Hopefully, it's yeah. I mean, like
If it goes down now, it could be the second shoulder, no?
no,
No?
no. Let's not say that.
Let's not put that in the
Yeah,
universe.
exactly. Damn. Okay, so
Bruh.
bruh,
Let's not put that into the universe.
let's go searching the what's it called? Ooh, Popcat.
This is a solid choice, no? Some people are mentioning in the chat. A while back.
Let's do some TA on Popcat.
I think Tyrell talked about this a while back. So
Wow, it's back right to the 88.6 and right below it, right? So you're good to go. You're golden. I think we should be getting some cat. Pop, 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 cat. Look at that. This was $2 billion.
damn, what has it gone now to?
Quarter of $1 billion.
Wow.
Right, so it's down 90%.
Oof.
It can go lower.
That's a new one. Maybe it could rag.
Bitcoin is going to
Oh,
zero.
damn. So should we get some?
Yeah, I don't think don't we have some already? No?
Nah, man. We don't have any Popcat.
Yeah, let's popcat it. Let's get some.
But we're gonna need some cash. Look at that. We're low. We're so low.
How can, I mean, in Solana,
We are low in cash. Look, because we've been spending money like crazy, like water.
yeah.
So we're gonna have to like do something, sell something, and something like that. Figure out something.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get a little bit of cats.
Okay. That sounds good. This is going to be
It's rug proof.
a long play. Like, what's the other one? Egg that we have?
Yeah, rug proof too. It's rug proof. I don't even have to take out insurance. It's rug proof.
Yeah. It's part of the package. Okay, what do we have there?
There's troll. Look at that. We missed it.
Yeah, we missed it. See, that's the thing. Most of the coins they just pop in when we are asleep. Because the America is awake and they're trading those things.
Opened up on the weekend.
It could go
Yeah,
higher.
let's walk away from the troll.
It could go higher.
Could go higher.
I'm playing some of the sounds. Yeah, troll is. It is what it is.
Let's see here. WTF.
Okay, it's a new one. Why are you on the 1 hour chart? There's only a couple of hours.
Could go higher.
It could go higher.
Let's do it. Let's degen.
Do you want to go into WTF?
Yeah, what the hell? What the fuck? Why not?
sounds like it's
It's with our last bit of dollars. Last bit of with our last.
yeah, but why? I mean, why have we gone down with the portfolio? Like Solana is up, right?
Because we bought everything. We have no money left.
Damn. So how are we going to retire Bloodline?
Well, we're gonna have to sell some stuff.
We're barely getting the fees back.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow, lots of errors.
High slippage.
It's a good sign.
Maybe we should not buy this one.
Maybe we shouldn't.
Yeah, you know what? It's pretty much.
How about new?
We need one that says, "For the love of God, don't buy that."
Nah, yeah.
Let's see, what's dinners?
What?
I'm surprised there's nothing on Easter.
How about new?
Man, this list is.
Yeah, no, exactly. It's horrible.
It's nothing there. What's Gaggle?
Ghibli palm.
Oh my God, look at that.
How about new?
It could go higher.
Maybe, but let's not and say we did.
Yeah, this will be. Will be a choice that tomorrow we will regret for sure. What's this?
There it is.
Flirt coin?
Flirt coin.
Well, this
It's we buy the lows.
How about new?
this is like a clinch. Clinch moment.
Oh damn!
I mean,
No. No.
How about new?
I think we should buy it.
Bruh.
it's. I mean, yeah. I'm.
Yeah. What you feeling?
Stupid.
Let's not say we did.
This could be something we regret tomorrow, but
I think so.
it could be a. I mean, it was like
Yeah, there's like
an M pattern there.
yeah, M pattern to 0.
Yeah. Yeah. This would be. What do we have there? I can't read anything today. It's too far.
Squirt.
This thing is pumping.
Squirting.
This is
What's squirting?
really.
Really? I know.
They're not abandoning place.
How about new?
What?
They're off.
What?
We have to have this.
What? Why?
The Hoff is just the best man alive. Like a big fan. You know, I have a video from the Hoff. That
You know that this is not a real account.
I know, but whoever put this together, they had the frequency for me to get this. The Hoff, man.
Bruh.
It's just like it's a
Bruh.
Hoff. It's a Hoff.
Bruh.
We're gonna regret it if you don't do this. Tell you. If there was the Hoff coin, I would go all in. Honestly, I don't know what's the connection in between
Squirting and a
the
Hoff.
but it's fantastic combo right there. I mean, you can ignore your expenses. But I mean, when the Hoff shows up, we act, man. We can't ignore the HOF.
I'm suffering from.
Emotional, damn it.
We can't ignore the HOF. It's a sign. It's a sign from the universe.
No. I'm not. We'll leave this up here and watch what happens
See
tomorrow.
what happens tomorrow. Yeah, did I ever show you the video that my team gifted me when I left the UK with the HOF? No? Oh boy, I'll show you later. You know, there's an app called Cameo.
Oh yes. Oh yeah. You told me. Yeah, I sure heard it. I heard it. Yeah.
Hilarious. That guys, David Hasselhoff said on a video, he said Bitcoin, Dubai, and Mauricio in one sentence.
There you go.
That's I have it
That
on
was
my
the
phone.
gift.
Yeah, it's the best gift I ever had. It's amazing. I don't know why Cameo is not. I don't think it's working as.
Maybe we should buy the coin that central banks.
Like gold. Like gold.
This is up big time though. Is this the right one?
I don't know what this is. Fartcoin.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Wow, look at that chart. It looks like,
Remember, we were
could
looking
go
at this
higher.
at the bottom here, right?
yeah, it looks like it wants to go higher. Yeah, we've
Did
gone in.
we make money on this thing?
Why haven't we retired the bloodline?
Exactly.
What's going on, man? Did we sell when it to a double?
There's our butthole. Where's our fart?
I think we've gone in at the bottom.
Yeah, we did.
Maybe we sold it all when it doubled.
No, come on, man.
It's possible.
I don't think so. This was a bloodline security bet. See, we have to have this thing, man. We have to.
I don't think.
There you go.
How much left we got?
How much do we got?
Oh, 2.4 Solana. Really? Yeah, haven't we gone with like 0.1?
What the frig?
What? Did you say 10x on Fartcoin? It's just 10x to farts.
Did we don't we have this what's it called? A
Selling order.
sell order on this thing? Instant react
What the?
trigger. Is it connected? Yes.
I think we must have sold at some
Where's
point.
our history of hide chart, show history?
There you go. Do we have Fartcoins in there?
Okay, nothing triggered. But I'm pretty sure we had fart coins in here.
Did we have any protection?
We didn't have any protection on fart.
That explains why we have 2.5 Solana almost.
Yeah. Let's see how much. Let's see. When did we buy this?
Yeah, see how much.
Shouldn't have been in the top here. There it is.
Okay, but how much did we buy? Ah, there you go.
One Solana and 1.25.
Okay, so we doubled.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, well,
It looks like we sent some to the. Yeah, so we did send some to what's it called?
yeah, we did sell.
Shoot.
We did sell, yeah. We did sell, but then even if we sold, we're still up, right?
So let's sell half, right?
Yeah, that would be a good thing to do.
Boom. Bloodline security. In the house.
So one Solana at a time.
And we're no longer broke. We can go shopping. We can go shopping. Damn.
So we should be back on. I know that doesn't change the overall balance because it was considered as.
Yeah, but we got Solana now to go shopping.
Oh, we didn't have Solana left.
Yes.
Oh, shh. So all the money we made, we're gonna basically lose.
No, man. We're investing.
We're investing.
We're investing in our bloodline security because all this stuff can.
It could go higher.
Yes. What are you, stupid?
Stupid.
All right, let's do it.
None of it's going to zero.
Bitcoin is going to zero.
Only Bitcoin.
On the Bitcoin. Okay, so we can load the track.
All right. Well, that's enough. We should have bought a whole. We should have went all in on Fort. Clearly, because it was doing better than gold, right? It's like central bank's meme coin.
It's doing better than anything.
The central bank meme coin.
What's the amount from the bottom that he's done? It's definitely done.
Yeah, he's done a lot, right?
It's a huge move, right? Mm-hmm. So we should have, yeah.
Because we probably got a few off, double off somewhere. We just didn't notice it. Let's just take a look.
How much is it?
350.
350%. Damn.
So did we not get a double here and like did not notice it? And
I think we did, yeah. I think we did get a double.
is it not in here? No.
Because if you look into what's it called, Phantom, it says we sent it.
Okay, so the car. I don't see it here. Completed. Feet coin got paid. I told you the feet, man. You were not. You had no faith.
No, I didn't have much faith in feet and in house either.
Yeah,
they pay?
I felt the house.
And the feet.
There it is. Fart coin completed.
Boom, there it is.
Completed a while ago. When did this complete? Damn. And so we already made 2 doubles, dude. 2.
Okay, so yeah, we did good on that one. Okay.
Wow. It,
Plus-
wasn't- it didn't stick.
It takes as much.
It didn't stick. Wow. Wow.
Okay, that's cool. Because that I remember we were talking about it at the bottom of that.
Yeah. So, well, the popcorn is. We should probably put it all in popcorn. Because this looks it's ready to pop.
I'm fine to go in this.
What do you think? Yes.
I think so.
So we're going heavy, guys. We're going heavy.
Okay, it's happening. All right, it's time to put the second gear in. Right,
We going heavy. With all our profits from Fart.
we're gonna put him into pop. Let's go.
One whole Solana. Rank.
Boom. No protection on this one, right?
0.
That's exactly how it should be. Nice.
Pure degen play. Pure.
Pure degen. Pure degen. 100%.
Only way to go because
It could go higher. Exactly. It's gonna happen.
alrighty. Wow. Alrighty,
gonna happen.
guys.
It's gonna
You have
happen.
any questions for us?
Navel super chat, thank you. Said you need a entry date on the Maybach. Yes, that would be sweet. He's also in Dubai, so
Yeah, it's going to be really difficult to get him. I've been asking for him for an interview, man.
it'll
He
be
doesn't-
tricky.
Yeah, he's difficult to get.
But thank you for the super chat. Really appreciate. Extra people will replace Bitcoin. Get ready. How about no? Where is the sound?
Yeah, right here.
How about no?
Yeah, I admire your conviction, brother, or sister, but I don't think it's gonna happen. But good luck with that.
Bruh.
Brah. Chris is saying, hey, I love to have DaVinci opinion on BSV. What do you think about BSV?
What's BSV?
It's a Bitcoin Gold. It's a fork, no? It's a fork of Bitcoin.
Satoshi's vision?
I think so. It's
Really?
It's one of those forks.
Okay, this is what I think about you buying Bitcoin's Satoshi vision.
How about no?
I thought you wanted to play the fart.
That's even better. Right? Jesus. Why don't you just buy the fart coin called gold?
Apparently gold is a meme coin now.
Exactly.
So, hey, it is what it is.
Yeah.
But
You're going to do well with that.
yeah. You guys have Ethereum? Well, unfortunately, yes.
Yes. Yeah, I have a little bit. Yes.
I have some Ethereum
Yes,
in
we're
my
crying.
portfolio.
Yeah, that Ethereum portfolio is giving us
Emotional damage.
Yes. Perfect.
lots of emotional damage, man.
Yeah, it's like I said, I would not expect Ethereum to be what it is. If you would have asked me a year ago,
Yeah,
I
I
would
don't know.
imagine to be higher. But
Jesus.
hey, you know,
I dumped a lot of it though for my Maybach though. Thank God.
I haven't
was like,
I haven't sold
yeah.
yet. But I think it's going to go higher. Yeah.
Yeah, really.
It could go higher.
It could go higher.
Really.
Yeah, it's definitely an option. An option. Crickets. Do you think we'll see altcoin season this year?
Let's take a look at the charts.
The chart is coming.
Let's let the chart tell us if there's an altcoin season.
As long as
coming.
you don't show me Bitcoin, Ethereum versus Bitcoin, because I'm not ready to see that yet. That's depressing.
Okay, so this chart says if Bitcoin breaks above this green line, the answer is really simple.
How about no?
Fair enough.
That's it. I mean, it's going to be absolutely catastrophic because it's just like when we broke here. It's going to be boom, maybe we come back, retest it, and off we go. But I doubt that.
Yeah.
If we break above this, we're going to stay above it. Just like this purple line here. Right? We're going to do one of these things. Either this yellow line, right? Or even worse, you could do this yellow line right here at 59%. All the way up, straight. Killer. Just absolutely wiping the floor with you. Right?
So basically,
with Ethereum at $800.
So basically, you're saying if the dominance goes up and you have Ethereum,
Emotional damage.
that's
Suffering hard. Suffering hard.
Wow. Okay. I mean, I don't know, but at some point, I think it will have to pop. I mean, that's what I'm expecting.
Yeah, sometime probably the next cycle.
We're going there, yeah?
Yeah, we are going there. We are going there. It's so bad, right? If you zoom out even further, it is so bad for alts. We go to a monthly chart, and then we zoom out. Look at this. The second we break above this level here, this green level, it looks like it's going to take a freaking massive run to the 74% on a monthly basis.
Yeah. I mean,
So in 1 month, we're going to probably wipe out all y'all.
yeah, it doesn't look good.
And if we don't stop here,
Oh, well, that's
then you can kiss your butts goodbye because it's going straight without looking, with a big like this, smack all the way to 95%.
yeah. Can you show
Now,
me?
so the thing is, what could cause that, right? Well, we could show you what could cause that. I could show you right here. This increasing by 50%,
Yeah, the
to
ETF.
30%.
The ETF on Ethereum looks terrible, by the way. The inflow is just embarrassing. So that means no one is buying. I would say yet, because I think there's going to be a time where Ethereum is going to be on the menu, but not anytime soon.
Yeah, exactly. Bitcoin is gonna go like this to all the alts.
Yeah. Can you show me, before we go, can you show me Bitcoin Ethereum, the pair, which is, it hurts, but I want to watch it.
Why would you wanna?
I want to watch
You're a
it.
sadomasochist, don't you?
I want to watch.
You want to see your butt get spanked, right?
Because
You want to watch the video of your butt getting spanked.
I mean, at some point he has to reverse, though, right? It can't go down forever. Like,
Dude.
are we bouncing back from some
No,
levels?
man, we are if we break this level, oh God, oh God, oh God.
I mean, are we a point of like what if we bounce? What would be a bounce?
Right
happen?
there.
right now. So we have to bounce now, or
We have to bounce now. Or is this
or we
over?
are doomed. Doomed. Sorry. Because I mean, Ethereum has been, this has been. And by the way, like we say all the
But
time.
look at the price of Ethereum right now. It is like not even like if we were to take a look at a chart of Ethereum, it hasn't even broken its resistance level yet. Well, everybody else has. Bitcoin has broken its resistance level right here. Solana has broken its resistance level right here.
Yeah.
What?
I don't know what's going on with Ethereum, man. I'm confused. I really don't know what's going on. Could it be manipulation, market manipulation from, I don't know, institutions wanting to
To what end?
just buy more, keep the price lower?
Maybe, but Ethereum is expanding forever, and it's not money, right?
And he has a lot of competition.
It's just exactly. It's got a lot of competition,
Fair enough.
right?
I don't know. Yeah.
That's better than Ethereum, right? There's lots of protocols, right, that are better. Even though they're better, they may not. People are just not using them. So,
I mean, when we're looking at the volume on DAX last week, and Solana is smoking everything.
and I say better in the sense of like the transactions per second. Right? If you say, wait a second, Ethereum's not. Why is everything better than Ethereum when they all use Ethereum virtual machine? You see, there's the catch, right? So Ethereum was the crowning jewel, right? But yeah, because everyone's using an Ethereum virtual machine except for a few like Solana and stuff like that. But most coins use EVM, right?
What is BNB doing at the moment?
I don't know. It's just chilling. I think. I don't know.
Because BNB has gone past the all-time high, right? In this cycle,
I don't know.
I think it's gone over the all-time high already.
I think so.
Yeah. I mean, not that I care about that specifically, but that could be another indication of what the heck is happening in the altcoin ecosystem. It'll be good to see if it broke the resistance you mentioned. Probably has.
Yeah. So it went above its all-time high, but it's still down. Right. It didn't continue higher, which at least it was better than freaking. If you were holding BNB over Ethereum, you would have done
better.
that
much
way
better.
better.
Yeah, much better. Yeah, anything at this point, I guess. I mean, Fartcoin, Jesus, Fartcoin would have doubled Ethereum.
Damn.
Jesus. So that's what I'm thinking. But like we say, I'm expecting, and I could be wrong. I don't know. I'm just speculating. I'm expecting at some point there's going to be when Bitcoin is going to go on a run, like a big move. Then I think we'll see a fountain of profits into alts, and this is where we will see altcoin season. I'm expecting it. Maybe I'm delusional.
This guy's like crying because I'm flooding ETH. It is what it is, man. ETH price is saying everything.
Yeah, the chart doesn't lie, right? So it looks like
We're all suffering with ETH holdings, man. Not just you. We're all suffering from.
Emotional damage.
Yeah, I still have a bag of Ethereum. Yeah. I didn't sell any. And you told me months ago,
Yeah.
swap your Ethereum for Solana.
Yep.
And I've not done it. Exactly, big mistake. I should have listened to you. I should have done it because that would have been more profitable. So it is what it is, right?
It is what it is.
Right. Exactly. Yeah, thank you for that, man. Appreciate it.
All right. Any more questions?
Let's go into the chat. Let me know if you see something you like.
Nothing. Jack. Okay. Let's call it.
Just come into the chat.
All right, guys. Well, I think gold is the new meme coin, right, for the central bankers, right? Clearly, because they see something going on with the market, so they decide to pile it on a meme coin to hopefully, to get a greater fool theory going on. You know what I'm saying?
Happy Monday, guys.
Oh, damn. They're going to put a rug pull on gold. right? The central bankers. That's why they're buying it, right? So that they can pull a rug. They can do a rug pull on you, right at the end, and switch it up to Bitcoin.
Exactly.
They're pumping the price, right? Just to get you in.
Yeah, there's a lot of comments on Ethereum, by the way, in the chat.
These meme coins, these meme coin pumpers, man. Damn. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate your you watching the show and hitting the like. All right, we got 100 likes. Appreciate that,
yeah.
and we'll see you guys next time. Whoa, 4,500. Wow.
Amazing, yeah.
Cheers.
See you guys tomorrow.